Alright guys, Mike here with Gecko Nutz. I just got these in the mail from the FedEx lady. I did the paperwork stuff, took that off the top, but haven't looked inside yet. We're gonna open her up and see what we got. We got this from Johnny Machado at Geckos on Fire. I highly recommend going to check him out. He's an extremely nice guy, easy to work with, willing to help people out if they ask. Alright, let's do this. What do we got? Here we go. Geckos on Fire. Johnny Machado. Check him out. Alright, here we go. What do we got? White and yellow Mac Snow Raptor. Oh yeah. Let's look at this beauty. Look at that snake eye. Oh yeah. Loving it. So gorgeous, Johnny. Thank you so much. You're absolutely beautiful. Oh, this eye's even cooler. Little girl, oh yeah, she's feisty. Alright, put her right here, watching us. Let's see what we got here. Oh, white and yellow Max No Raptor. Should we open them up, see what we got? Bam. Oh, look at that. Oh, little dookie in there. Looking good, Johnny. Absolutely beautiful, man. Come on. You come say hi to me. Look at them. Look at them raptor eyes. Just glowing. Absolutely gorgeous, Johnny. Geckos on Fire, everybody. Check them out. Awesome geckos. Bam. Geckos on Fire. Check them out. Johnny's the man. Alright, I'm gonna go get these guys taken care of. There we go. That's Gecko Nutz, next year's main pairing. Gonna make some awesome babies with this pairing here. So, check us out.